Gunatraya. Three gunas. Three gunas. What are the three gunas? This everyone knows. Three gunas. First one is called Triguna. Everything is a Triguna. Sattvic. Called Tamasic, inertia. What is born in the universe? Out of singularity, what is born? Rotational inertia. Enormous amount of inertia. Big Bang. What is born in Big Bang? Is inertia. Tamasic. This person also doesn't react. Inert, jadatvam, jada. And he is like a snake eating it is called simile. Snake, when a snake eats a frog, a small snake, a cobra eats frog. Once it eats a frog, and so it doesn't have stomach. It has to digest in the entire snake body itself is the alimentary canal. So it has to crush, and that's why it goes like this. And then, the moment it eats food, it becomes non-functional. It has to sleep, and it doesn't react. All his energy is to digest the food, frog. That's why jada it's called. And this fellow all the time like inert and lazy, inert, and given a chance wants to sleep and sit on, and doesn't move at all. Even moving is difficult, bringing is difficult. All of us, we want to be inert. Given a chance, I don't want to work. Given a chance, money should come. Given a chance, food should come. And given a chance, a girlfriend should come. Whatever I wish, I should get it. Given a chance. So that, I don't want to work. So so I sat in the bed. So now I asked God to give me He has given me everything. Do I become healthy? I become sick. Couch potato syndrome means what? The same scenario. So inertia causes, and we want inertia. All our life what we are looking for? Comfort. Comfort means no labor is required. I should not work hard. I should get everything without any work I should get. Without minimum effort I should get. Sitting in the chair itself, I have to go into the field plowing it. It's so laborious, you see. This is called our development, isn't it? Now sitting in front of the laptop and sitting cozy. And now it's not the body, it's the mind which is getting born. That's a different issue. And this is called. And given a chance, oh my God, so I'm sitting. You first felt, you told when you are playing the field, oh my God, I'm slogging in the sun. Now again, okay, so you made a choice after 100 years, you made a choice to sit in the chair in front of a laptop. All our jobs are that. Now in front of it, oh my God, it is a stress. And when you are playing also, you said stress. Now you are sitting, now you are not playing, you are sitting in a chair, and all your job is only laptop, and you are doing, it is very, I am so stressed out. Oh my God, the conferencing, talking, oh my God, my job is taking me away. Where is it taking you? Happily sitting in the chair. And which is more stress? Sitting in the chair and doing this job or playing the field. Now you realize, now you only came from playing the field to now you moved into the chair, sitting in the chair. Now, which is better? Oh my God, this sitting in the chair doing this is far worse than playing the field. That may not give you a penny, but that has given you peace. You are very strong, very happy. Playing a field, a peasant. But now sitting in a chair, you may be earning more bucks, but where is your mind? This is what Steve Jobs said when he left in the hospital bed when he was dying of the cancer. and never realized the value of the life. I only know value of the things around me. Now I know what is the value of the life, but it's too late. I never cared what a value of the life is all about. I only felt the life is all about valuing the things outside. But now, nothing will come with me. Now I am so miserable. It's too late for me to realize. See, understand? Inertia, inert. Given a chance, oh my God, I sit in the chair without the laptop, without this business if I get money. Okay, now laptop also is not there. Okay, you sat there, I will give you, every $240K I will give you every month. What will you do? Will you be healthy? You will be using luxury cars, you will be using further Koshi and this, that. And you get, because money is there, you get habituated for this, habituated for that. And is it going to make you or kill you? It is going to kill you. All we look for inertia to get suicide. All our tendencies. Atma huta sadrusha. Shankaracharya says, Jhadatva. All of us, we are the same class. Given at home now you are in the COVID locking period and you can listen every point I am saying, you can really work hard and you can really do yoga, whatever I have shown, and you got such a brilliant opportunity and you can do so many things. And the moment, oh my God, 3 hours, oh my God, 4 hours, oh my God, I wanted to relax. What do you mean by relax? Inertia. Your relaxation means what? TV, dollar, go on putting inside, dump inside, watch TV. This is what people do. This is a COVID protection program. I am taking COVID protection program. COVID protection program is eating and watching and favorite programs. So inertia. Then comes Rajasic, Jada, Tamasic. All of us, we are Tamasic. We may be thinking we are Rajasic. Rajasic, restless fellow. The one who doesn't sit all the time, acceleration, too much of acceleration, no balance. As I said, we want excited all the time, excited. All the time I am excited, I want to get, it's boring. Whoever is saying boring is a Rajasic. All our children are Rajasic. Oh my mom, it's boring mom, you give something. No mom, it's over, it's boring mom. It's boring, life is boring. No mom, it's boring. Excitement. All the time we want to be excited personality. Agitated personality, excited. He wants to be all the time excited, pumping the calcium ion and burning himself. Consumption. Again exercise also to give a kick, to damage himself. Again weights lifting, again to generate testosterone for kick. Rajasic. Inertia, one extreme end. Acceleration, one extreme end. We have all these qualities. Our inertia is, I want to sit in the chair for what? For this. Get excited. What? I don't want to work for a company. I want to watch my favorite TV show. I want to listen to favorite music. I want to sit and boss is, telling, hey, work. I want to listen to my favorite music. Sitting. Boss should pay money for you to listen to the music. He is paying you to listen his music. That music you don't like. And the fellow who is, and the music which you want to hear, he is getting the money. You are not getting money. You are paying for it. And the one who is paying the money, that music, in fact, is a good music. That is called sound of silence. That is the sound of making. That's why Guru's noise is always very strict. It's like boss. Which you don't like. You want to be pampered like the one who is making money by singing. And you have to pay for it. Isn't it? Acceleration, inertia. Then comes sattvic. What is sattvic? The one who can balance little sustainability of between inertia and between the acceleration. The one who balances. Gunatit, all the three are not good. Because the inertia itself to be removed, the acceleration is to. All these are energy phenomena. None of them are good. Among them, this is somewhat good. Balancing is, life flows if you are this. But life flow in this, it should lead to nirguna. Guna, nirguna. Guna means again it is a conditioning. It is again whether you balance inertia or acceleration, inertia is there, acceleration is there. Both are dangerous. So you should go beyond inertia and acceleration. Understand? So none of them are good. But as long as you are in the field of entropy, you have no other choice. Your choice is the way you lead the life has to be this, balanced. All is a balance between inertia and logic, relaxation and contraction. That's all. All your fitness is between relaxation and contraction. That's all. But is it good? Why inertia? So the goal is to remove this inertia itself. Zero. When it becomes zero, you get entropy. And now inertia has become accelerated. Universe is entropy is expanding. So inertia, as hydrogen is created, helium, all periodic elements created. And now life is created because of the sattvic balance of those elements. But this life is created to go to make inertia zero. That's why the three gunas are used. Understand? So inertia, the connection between inertia and sattvic. So now it is the time to go back, to make zero. We have become, inertia is born, the universe is born out of singularity. Duality is born, entropy is born. What is born is inertia. Then hydrogen formed here, and then all other elements formed here. Then life formed here. The planet Earth formed here. We are here. 13.7 billion years. What formed? Inertia. And what caused acceleration? Created periodic element tables. And what caused balance? And when these elements got balanced, a human is born. What is the purpose of human? All evolution. And human purpose is to go back to singularity, to make inertia zero. The one who did this called Gunatita, Nirguna. He has no guna. And guna means no guna is good. Meditations itself divided into Saguna, Niguna. Saguna, Niguna. Saguna means conditioning. For Niguna. Niguna. Niguna means no inertia. Creating. Saguna means creating a condition, acceleration. Acceleration is for making inertia zero. Your body, you are doing entire purpose of doing asana is to make your inertia zero, to convert your inertia into acceleration. With conservation of energy, not consumption of energy. A athlete is playing like this, out of body of stability zone, that is consumption. That acceleration is consumption. All our acceleration, rajasic, acceleration is to consumption. But it has to become body of stability within. Sthira sukhamasanam samam sthira sukhamasana. Entire purpose is to conserve inertia, and moment of inertia, the purpose is to convert moment of inertia into acceleration by conserving the energy, by keeping the line of center of line passing through the inertia, keeping the line of center of mass through it. Center of gravity to the center of mass, keeping them in the same plane. That is a way to conserve, that is a way to get over the converting inertia into acceleration with zero conservation of energy. That is called enlightenment. So laws of nature, whether you use physics, whether you use anything, is the same. Saguna, niguna. Saguna, niguna. So meditation starts with a saguna. Conditioning, positive conditioning, acceleration. But that acceleration is for making niguna. It is to conserve the energy. And when you are doing any exercise, the purpose is to not consume energy, not to burn calories. It is to conserve, Unnecessarily your prana is not going, your oxygen is going waste. It is to conserve that oxygen, to optimize oxygen, to decrease the oxygen consumption, not to increase the oxygen consumption. Understand? The purpose of exercise is to conserve. So acceleration is to conserve, to go to zero state of energy.